What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. You're watching another Izzy's review. I am so excited because in this video I am sharing with you my first trip to the Ikea. So I took my family. They're not excited, but who cares? They're going to reap the benefits of going to Ikea. So here we go. These are the double doors. This is what I saw when I first walked in, and I was super like, which way do I go? Which way do I go? We went up the escalator, and as you can see, there's like a cafe and all these little showroom style, I want to say like cubicle style zones. So for me, like, I've been to furniture galleries before where you have like, you know, like the couch or the bed and like the setup, right? But I feel like IKEA is a bit different in the fact that everything you see is part of the sale, if that makes sense. So before we get into that, I want to show you, I was just so ecstatic about this little dining area where you can eat and like literally take a break, grab some food. All right, back to the goodness. So like everything you see is for sale. So if you're in one of the little stage areas and it's a bedroom, the rails, the bed, the comforter, the lighting, like the entire lifestyle is for sale, not just the furniture. So that's just the best way I can explain it. So I love like hangers, uniform hangers. I was loving that price. I was checking out this little desk. But yeah, so I'm going to zoom in on a few things where I was like, oh my goodness, this is a steal, you know, like hangers and trinkets and things of that nature. And I'm going to pan in and show you some of the like full setup of the rooms, just because I just wanted you to see it from my perspective, and things that I find very, very intriguing. I will zoom in and show you the price. Like that bed, I was like, that's intriguing for a mattress. Here's some pillows, definitely $29.99. So I will say briefly that just because they were not in to the trip to IKEA at all, we did not even touch the bottom floor. We went straight to the second floor. We walked the whole thing, and isn't that so cute? I love those little men things. And I'm going to have to go back and do downstairs, because downstairs is shoppable. Like you can put the things in your cart, and like plates and silverware and organizing things. So the bottom store is like a warehouse full of yummies, while upstairs it's like more of the larger piece furniture, organizers, comforters, frames, desks, tables, and each area has their own, for example, you want dining room tables, there's a dining room table section. If you want couches, there's a couch section. But right now in this showroom space, they have several products from several different departments in a space. Right now we're looking at this tiny studio mock-up where you're using IKEA products to really like deck out this small space and really make it functional. You see the bedding, I'm sorry, not the bedding, the storage for towels, and how you can live in an upgraded functional space even though it's tiny. So I really liked what they did. Eating desk, kitchen, and you see storage on the walls. You see the little mounts for like your appliances. So I thought that was cute how they have the little hooks to hang your cups. So I was very impressed with this setup. I liked how the seating is behind the bed. I actually want to try that at home. Look at that. So this is the bed area. What is this shelf? I think I really liked that shelf. It was $80, and I really liked that it had drawers in it, and I was considering that for my bathroom. what is this, $4.90? Oh, I thought it was cute how you could hang like herbs and spices and things, or even like vegetables on that rack for $4.99. And I thought that paper towel holder was cute. And right now I'm really into using my everyday things for decor. So like I store my rice, my flour, and my pasta in glass containers currently. So that's why I'm obsessing over these, because in my everyday life, I definitely use these things. So I mentioned in other videos that I'm also trying to minimalize my lifestyle and get rid of extra stuff, and the things that I do have in my space that are functional and usable, not put away for a rainy day, but really items that add value to my home and my life. So I had a great time looking at all this stuff in Ikea. I thought those were cute. Now look at this space. It is divided by a curtain. Look, oh, I love that rack. You can use it as a clothes rack, or you can hang clothing. So see how they did it again? They put the vanity at the foot of the bed, and behind the bed, it's like some more livable space. I really want to consider that in my own home. And here's another showroom style where you see how they're playing with the space. They put the table behind the couch, and it's livable and flowable. So y'all, you have to visit and just check it out for yourself. Don't come hungry, because you'll be aggravated, you know. Come with some walking shoes on, and a water bottle, because definitely, oh, this is a build out they're doing. Isn't it so modern and like lofty and a little urban? I love it. I like the airiness and the light colors of this showroom. Amazing. But anyway, like I was saying before, come with shoes, come with water. They do have a cafe to take a break, but there's tons of people. Come with your mask because it's COVID. This, I'm definitely debating on getting. Like, I need to figure out where I want to put it. But I love storage. There's not enough storage. There can never be enough storage. And because we are working from home and schooling from home, like, there's just so much stuff that I wasn't really using before, like the printer. Now, all of us use a printer. All of us have papers and supplies and things of that nature. So I love, love, love storage. Look at this. You can buy drawers. You can buy like a little door right here for a cabinet. I just love the options. This is on my wish list. And I love the cubby for like jewelry or makeup or whatever. This table, look at this. Love it. I love the color. I'm looking for a table currently. So like I said, I'm showing y'all stuff that I definitely had interest in. I love the how you can seat 4 people, but it's not gigantic. Here's the footprint in case you're wondering. Look at all of that walking. That's why you have to wear your tennis shoes. Come hydrated, come comfortable, so you're in a mood and not agitated. That's a little cute desk. It's on sale. So I think in this desk section that you can customize the legs to these tables. So there's the table top, but you can customize the legs. All right, guys, so that was the quick and dirty. We're already at 9 minutes of me and my family's journey of the top floor of Ikea. Like I said, I'll probably go back by myself and do some filming on the bottom floor with all the fun stuff like plates and flowers and organizing and knives, cups, anything for like in like paintings. They had several things down there. But again, I want to stress, wear some comfortable shoes, comfortable clothes, come hydrated or prepared to buy lunch. It is downtown. It's pretty easy to get to. There's signage pointing you in the right direction, but of course you can always use Google Maps. I had fun. I many moons ago, I have a background in interior decorating and staging, so I always get a kick out of home decor and organizing. That was my thing. I made a living out of it. But I am definitely going to share some of the updates that I did to my apartment and share you in a story time later on about, why we're making some changes at home and about the life changes that we thought we were going to do. So all of that is for another video. So make sure you please like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any amazing content, and stay up to date with this journey, because if you're like me and you love home decor, there's some juicy stuff coming up. So love you. Thank you so much for subscribing. Comment below if you have any questions, and you might have to watch this video once or twice just to like pause and look at the rooms. I think it's worth that. But anyways, until next time, with much love, mwah, Izzy. Bye.